Cosmologists say our universe is flat, but what does that mean? Because it's obviously not two-dimensional. Well, it has to do with the geometry of the universe, and when we talk about that, there are three different options. It could be flat, like a piece of paper, it could be positively curved, like the surface of a ball, or it could be negatively curved, like the surface of a Pringle or a saddle shape. These are all 2D examples, right? They're surfaces, and that's because it's literally impossible for me to draw a 3D thing that is positively or negatively curved. Like, I literally can't draw that. But what we talk about in these geometries in 2D applies to 3D as well. See, what makes something flat is it obeys Euclidean geometry. That's the geometry we all learned in school. It's the one that says triangles have 180 degrees and straight parallel lines will never meet and never get any further apart. But once you moved into curved geometries, those rules no longer hold. Think of longitude lines on Earth. At the equator, they are parallel, but even though they're straight lines, they still meet at the poles. They don't stay parallel forever. You could draw a triangle on a Pringle, 3 straight lines connected, that has less than 180 degrees. So that's what a flat universe means. It just means it obeys Euclidean geometry. And we can actually look out and figure out which one of these geometries our universe is. The main one is looking at the cosmic microwave background. This is light from when the universe was only 380,000 years old. There are tiny little fluctuations in that light, and the size of those fluctuations depends on the geometry of the universe. And what we observe lines up almost exactly with what we would expect for a universe that is flat. But we have to be careful that we're not falling into the trap of the flat earther. When we say the universe is flat, we mean that the observable universe is flat, because we can only see the stuff whose light has had enough time to get to us since the Big Bang. Which means that we are limited. There is probably a whole lot more universe out there that we can't see. And much like you can't tell the Earth is a ball just by looking at the stuff around you, it's possible that past what we can observe, the universe gets a whole lot curvier. What we see seems to do a pretty good job of obeying Euclidean geometry, but past that, we just don't know.